Magandang gabi! Let's start pronunciation review ng mga Tagalog words and phrases that was posted from last week. So, let's start from Monday or Lunes until kahapon ng Sabado or until yesterday, Saturday. Puwera or sa Ingles, except. Puwera, puwera. Halimbawa, any day, puwera, Martes. Or, I wanna see all my friends except Myra. I wanna see all my friends, puwera si Myra. Next word, hard. Or sa Tagalog, mahirap. Mahirap. Examples or mga halimbawa, mahirap mag-isa. Or, it's hard to be alone. Mahirap mag-isa. It's hard to be alone. At another halimbawa, it can also mean poor. Halimbawa, mayaman sila, mahirap kami. Or sa Ingles, they are rich, we are poor. How do you say a liquor? Alak. Alak. At cigarette, sigarilyo. 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 Alak at sigarilyo. Next word ay halos or sa Ingles, almost or nearly. Halos. Halos. Halimbawa, almost 2 hours or halos 2 oras. I waited for almost 2 hours. Naghintay ako ng halos 2 oras. How do you say, please turn off the light? Pakipatay ng ilaw. Patay ng ilaw. Ilaw. Please turn off the light. Or, pakipatay ng ilaw. At the other day, I posted a picture of a dry leaf. Leaf or dahon. Dahon. And to say dry leaf, tuyong dahon. Tuyong dahon. At there's also grasses or mga damo. Grass, damo. Grasses, mga damo. Mga damo. And these 3 items that I posted from last night, gunting, karayom, at sinulid. Sinulid. Okay, let's say that again. Sinulid. A needle. Karayom. Karayom. gunting, 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 karayom, at sinulid. At last one para sa ating pronunciation review, or last one for our pronunciation review is saka. Saka. Saka is a Tagalog slang word for and. It can also mean to or also. Example or halimbawa, let's use these 3 items again. Sinulid, gunting, at saka karayom. Or sinulid, gunting, saka karayom. That's it for our pronunciation review. Paalam! Bye!